Hello everyone. So in today's video I'd like to do an extra little bit for my water bottle and snack holder. So I'm quite aware that not everyone cycles everywhere, and there's some other sports that this might work well for, so like golfing, because not all golfing trolley buggy sort of things have drinks holders on them. So I could make an attachment. So the one I've been looking at is an example my granddad gave me. It's a bit of an odd way of mounting. So the handle from the bottom, the handle is at the top. It's at an angle of 20 degrees from the horizontal. And the mounting tube it has to go on is an oval shape, so it makes it slightly more difficult. So I've got this as a demonstration piece. So it's essentially wanting to go like that. So he can put like a coffee mug in there or something like that, and it doesn't fall everywhere, because if it's with that, it's going to just tip. So I want it at an angle. So what my idea is to make a block here with the right cutout size, and then another one the other side, and it clamps round it. So that's what I'd like to do today. So yeah, let's get to it. There we go. That should give a bit of an explanation of what my idea is for this. So with that at that angle, that angle, that should work now by keeping it in the middle. So those two nuts are just to explain where the cut in half bit is. And instead of normal nuts, I've got nylock nuts. So like I did with the inside bit here, I can do a nylock insert there. So that block holds really tight to that side, so the whole thing doesn't wobble. And then a second block goes in that side to clamp around it. And it's got a washer on it, well, quite a big, sort of like a capped washer thing. And then I've got a wing nut, so he can just tighten it up over the top, and then he can dismount it and put it back on whenever. And I will supply some extra nylon nuts in case he really wants that to be sturdy and locked on tight. So I reckon it's time to CAD up those blocks, get a basic outline of it all, see if it'll fit around the correct size. I think it's 30 by 35 high oval. So I'll make one of those just to make sure it all fits well. And then I can make it look nice after that. I just need to confirm that it's actually going to work first and be functional. I've also got these rubber furniture bottom bits that you stick in the bottom of furniture so it doesn't scrape around on the floor. So if I were to put that within the rounded bit, so when it clamps either side, it doesn't move up and down. So I'm going to try and put some of them on and see if that works. So this is what I've come up with. As you could see, that was a right troublesome thing, trying to get that in, well, tighten it up using that. But that's only needs to be done once, unless you're going to use it for a bicycle, which this person isn't. So from then on, it's just a case of undoing that, and then it's all ready to go. So that screw, when you tighten it, it kind of bends itself and then forces everything in more, so it tightens up everything. So that's not going to come apart anytime soon. So I've been told that the person has some like little rubber strips that he can put in, so that'll help that a lot. And I think it looks all right. So I'm not going to make any more changes until I'm told to, because, well, I don't want to waste any more of my material. So yeah, I think that's a good job for today. Very happy with that. So if you join me in the next video, thank you very much for watching.